In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out a perfect circle in Photoshop. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along smoothly. First, you'll need the elliptical marquee tool. It's tucked under the rectangular marquee tool in the toolbar. If you're seeing a rectangle icon, right-click that icon to reveal the hidden options, then choose the elliptical marquee tool. This tool lets you create circular or oval selections, which is exactly what we need. Now, to get a perfect circle, start dragging on your canvas and hold the Shift key as you drag. Holding Shift constrains the shape to a circle rather than an oval. You'll see the marching ants outline as you draw. If the circle isn't the size you want, release the mouse and try again until it looks right. Keep holding Shift while dragging to maintain that perfect circular shape. When you're happy with the size, make sure the circle is positioned over the exact area you want. With the elliptical marquee tool still active, you can move the selection by placing your cursor inside the selection and dragging it to fine-tune the placement. When your circle is in the right spot, you have two ways to cut it out, depending on what result you want. If you want a copy of the circle on its own layer, so you can move it independently while keeping the original image intact, press Ctrl+J on Windows or CMD+J on a Mac. This command copies just the selected circle onto a new layer. It's a non-destructive approach, and it's great if you think you might want to adjust or reposition the circular element later. You'll see a new layer in your Layers panel containing only that circular content. If you'd rather remove the circular area from the current layer, simply press Delete. This subtracts the circle from the active layer. On a regular unlocked layer, you'll see transparency where the circle used to be. If you're working on a background layer, Photoshop may prompt you to fill that space with a color. This method permanently removes that portion from the layer, so choose it when you're certain you don't need that area anymore. That's the whole workflow. Select the elliptical marquee tool, hold Shift while dragging to draw a perfect circle, position it precisely over your subject,